How to save draft on TikTok, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to save a draft on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok app on your mobile phone. So we will have to create a new TikTok, and I'll show you if you change your mind and you want to save it as a draft, how to do that. So let's click on this plus button. It will take me to my TikTok camera. So I have recorded a video. Now you can see I can add a music and effects, anything I want to my video. Once you're done, click on this check button and your video is created. Now you can add a text. Just to show you guys, I will just add this text here. Then I'm gonna click on next. Now once you click on next, we do not want to post this video. So you can see we can add a description, tag people, everything. And then we have two options at the bottom. We have draft and then we have post. So if you do not want to post, you will click on draft. There you go. And the video is saved in the drafts now. Let's go to our profile. In our profile, you will find this first option, which is drafts. Click on draft and it will show you the drafts that you have, and you can delete them or work on them later and post the draft if you want. This is a draft video, you can see. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.